Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the contrast on Sharp Android TV. To do it, click on the menu button on your remote while you're within either some app like YouTube or Netflix or within live TV. So I'm gonna click on the menu button on the remote. Now you can see in YouTube or other apps, it's gonna look like it does right now. If you're within live TV, the options will be at the bottom, like some sort of colorful tiles, but you just need to go to picture. Once you go into picture, no matter how the previous menu looks, the picture menu is gonna look the same. Then go to contrast and use the right or left button to adjust the contrast. Now I can clearly see how it's changing right now, so I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.